In November 2020, Vivi Hurtado posted a video on YouTube capturing an alarming incident. While working late at a hospital in Mexico, she heard unsettling noises emanating from a nearby room. Armed with her phone, she ventured through the lengthy corridors to investigate. What she recorded on video proved to be deeply disturbing. The woman proceeded down the hallway and then veered left, entering a sizable, dimly lit chamber. Unbeknownst to her at that moment, a small white visage loomed in the doorway to her right. Concealed around a corner, this disconcertingly pallid countenance remained motionless, fixating on the woman with its unyielding black gaze. With no other individuals present in the vicinity, the presence of this eerie face became an enigma. 3 distinct videos have been uploaded to a TikTok account under the username Our Haunted House. The initial video depicts footage captured by a camera positioned in a specific room within a purportedly haunted residence, focusing on a doorway. Initially unremarkable, the scene takes a sudden turn, revealing unsettling and anomalous occurrences.
Somebody open the door?
In the video, the door unexpectedly opens without any apparent cause, prompting the individual recording to inquire, out of sight, if someone had opened it. Receiving no response intensifies their unease. In a subsequent video, the uploader addresses the camera, recounting eerie paranormal incidents experienced while residing in the house. They reveal a photograph falling to the ground without any nearby open windows. The uploader proceeds to conduct further investigation in an adjacent room, leading to another unsettling event.
Okay, guys, so a lot of crazy shit has been going down in this house. Some paranormal shit. So, first of all, so this picture fell down, and I know what you're gonna say, oh, it was just the wind or whatever, but coincidentally, a bunch fell down in the other room too. Let me show you. Hold up. Holy shit.
In the concluding video, the uploader's canine companion is observed barking persistently at an unseen presence, signaling clear distress. Prompted by concern, the uploader ventures forth to address the situation, only to uncover a profoundly unsettling discovery.
My dog just started fucking barking for no fucking reason. Let's see. Holy shit, there's somebody out there! What the fuck?
An unusual shadowy presence looms outside the residence, directly in front of the main entrance. Despite the uploader's attempt to explore further, the figure mysteriously vanishes. This prompts questions regarding the nature of the individual and the property. Is this a fabricated deception, or could genuine spectral activity be at play? In either case, it may be prudent for the individual. 3 friends decided to venture to a secluded park during the late hours, intending to conduct a seance-like ritual. Their method involved a peculiar game, wherein they sought to commune with spirits by flipping a bottle and posing inquiries. The bottle's upright position signified affirmation, while its fall indicated negation. Initially perceived as innocuous entertainment, given the use of a plastic water bottle for communication, events swiftly veered towards an ominous direction.
Vamos a ver qué tal, a ver qué resulta. Ojalá y podamos contactar algo, que algo se manifieste. ¡Hombre! Si hay alguien aquí, que se manifieste a través de la botella. ¿Hay alguien aquí con nosotros? No. A la primera, chicos, a la primera.
¿Eres mujer?
Una mujer. No, fueron las puertas. Cállate. No. Oigan, es que se paró el aire. Esto son las puertas. Voy a llorar. Oye, no sé si vean mis ojos, pero están llorosos. Uy. ¿Eres buena? No, cállate. No es buena.
¿Nos vas a asustar?
Sí. Mucho miedo.
¿Eres una adulta?
Sí.
¿Eres lo que vimos a lo lejos?
No te pases. Se nos manifestó. Es que vimos a una persona.
No voy a llorar, güey.
Ay, no. ¿Qué es eso?
No sé, ya vámonos.
Vimos a una persona a lo lejos ahorita. Había unas luces así.
Sí, yo también las vi.
Había unas luces. Bueno, ya.
¿Te vas a acercar más a nosotras?
Sí.
Mira la botella.
Uy. Escucho una voz. Cállate. No.
Están viendo.
Yo estoy viendo.
No te
Pero
pases.
no, es el árbol, es la sombra.
No. Velo bien, Priscila.
No es cierto, no es cierto.
No te pases. Dime que...
Ay, ya. A ver. Hay que cerrar.
Hay que cerrar.
¿Podemos cerrar la sesión? Ay, Dios mío.
¿Podemos dejar de jugar, por favor? ¿Podemos dejar de jugar ya?
Dios mío. Dale, Link, por favor.
¿Podemos dejar de jugar ya, por favor?
¿Podemos dejar de jugar, por favor?
Por favor, ya.
¿Nos puedes dejar ir ya, por favor? No puede ser.
¿Podemos irnos ya, por favor?
Vámonos.
As soon as the game halts, they promptly rise to scan their surroundings, and what they observe is profoundly unsettling.
Ok, es que allá nosotros vemos algo.
No sé si alcancen a ver, pero hay algo.
No nos queremos acercar, pero se ve muy negro, súper negro. Yo digo que es la sombra del árbol, pero ellas dicen que es otra cosa.
Through engaging in this game and endeavoring to establish contact with an unseen presence, they inadvertently invoked an entity into our realm. A sinister silhouette materialized, ominously positioned beside a nearby tree, silently observing their actions. Inquiring if the figure was advancing, they received confirmation, indicating its gradual approach from afar. As they grappled with terminating the game, the entity drew nearer, its proximity escalating with each passing moment. Fortunately, they succeeded in halting the proceedings just in the nick of time. The ramifications of failure remain uncertain, underscoring the gravity of their timely intervention. A woman named Kiki Clemons lives somewhere in Texas. One day she finds herself in a state of distress. Despite her efforts to maintain composure, recent events have left her unsettled. A peculiar occurrence has transpired in her backyard, prompting her to document it in a video, lest her account be dismissed as incredulous. Prior to this incident, she had sensed an aura of unease surrounding her residence, particularly emanating from the small shed located in the rear.
The light is off. Everything is super
tight locked.
Even though the shed stood unoccupied, Dutch, her dog, consistently fixated his gaze upon it. Not once did Dutch divert his attention from that space. Each time, his focus was unwavering. Kiki noticed this behavior, describing Dutch as being utterly absorbed, seemingly fixated on an unseen presence. While Kiki found this behavior peculiar, the notion of anything eerie never crossed her mind until recently. One day, while playing with Dutch in the backyard, the shed's door abruptly swung open, startling her to the core. With trepidation gripping her, she approached cautiously and captured the unfolding event on video.
That was hella weird. There's literally no way that door just opened by itself. Y'all, like, I really don't get freaked out, but that was really just... That door has a keypad lock on it. Like, and it's actually hard to get in. Dutch, where are you going? Don't leave me. There's like... What? Why did you just jump like that? Why did... Baby! Y'all, do you see her? What the fuck is going on?
It remains unclear why Dutch fixates on a specific spot behind the door. There are no visible signs of presence, evident from the absence of feet or shoes beneath the doorframe as Kiki approaches the shed. If no individual is physically present, then what garners Dutch's attention? Although not immediately apparent, many observers have noted a disconcerting detail that unsettled Kiki upon realization. Dutch's gaze extends beyond the door's typical sight line. Viewers speculate that whatever occupies that space must possess considerable height. Given Kiki's inclination towards the supernatural, she entertains the notion that something unseen, yet palpable to Dutch, lingers there. To this day, her canine companion remains fixated on the area, exhibiting signs of unease as if perturbed by an invisible presence.